What the fuck did he do? He was flying a drone and thinking he had to give it collective, and he just kind of slowly went into the ground.
Slowly. Wrong pull.
Well,
yeah, that was
slowly into the angle was shallow.
Do you now know what your failure point is? Full throttle will do it if you're pointing at the ground.
Yeah. Is it broke again?
The same prop.
The fucking
suck.
Oh yeah, the front props always go. Oh no, that's a back.
Oh, this is the back that hit this time. All the others seem good.
Hey, the good thing is,
fucking Joel.
you get a big enough.
This is the Wednesday shenanigans of 2018 Palooza.
Look how long your battery's lasting, though.
Yeah, your battery's really long.
Your radio might be dead before you get it.
It didn't reset everything whenever I put the thing. Oh, okay.
Same prop again? No.
Hurry up, Joel! Let's go flying!
You fucker.
He's like way high. You can't even see him. Jesus.
Would you just do a tumble out of the sky so you see it? Another one. Another flip. Come on, do 3 in a
Can't even see him. Fucking Joel.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, oh, I saw the hands. They were jiggling.
That was about it. He almost torched that. He didn't like that third one. I thought that was a falcon going into Killer Bells.
The freaking camera won't even focus in on it. There he goes.
Battery's probably shit by now.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming in.
Alright, do one more flip.
All systems.
Hey, he did the flip. You know, he did it. I mean, it did more than 4.
Shut it off after it lands. This thing's going auto. Getting prop? No?
No, I didn't get it.